Introducing the 2020 Nissan Altima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance, spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive, and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.